Do you want to learn investing this summer? Here are some books to help you learn about investing. Pick them up from your library and you can get them for free. Today's financial question: do you need a lot of money to start investing? The good news is no, it is actually a myth that you need a lot of money to start investing. You can use the concept of fractional share investing, which allows you to buy a fraction of a share of a stock. So you don't need a whole bunch of dollars to start your investing journey. Start with $10 or $20, but build that habit of consistency. Here are a few companies that support fractional share investing so you can get started investing today. Today's money question: can I invest even if I am not an American citizen? The short answer is yes. There is no citizenship requirement for owning American stocks. You'll have to consider your long-term goals to see if investing in the US makes sense for you. And depending on the brokerage firm you work with, you may be required to provide some additional documentation to prove your identity. And of course, you also have to consider those tax implications. As someone who came into this country at 9 years old, investing is what's going to make my money go further. As immigrants and first generation, we don't have the luxury of old money to help us, so we must invest for our first generation fortune. Here is the biggest mistake most beginner investors make. They do not buy investments. When you open an investment account, like a brokerage account, IRA, 401k, or even a 529 account, you must buy investments within those accounts. That means once you transfer money from your checking and it goes into those investment accounts, you need to perform a buy transaction, buy a stock, a mutual fund, or an ETF so that you are actually invested in something. So don't make this mistake and follow Sisters for Fi for more money content.
This right here is my favorite thing ever. In the history of forever. I think about this every day. I think about this all night long. I stay awake, not sleeping, because I'm thinking about this.
Do you need a lot of money to start investing? No. You can use the concept of fractional share investing and buy yourself a fraction of a share of a stock. For example, say you want to buy Amazon, but Amazon is over $3,000. What you can do instead is buy a fraction of a share of Amazon stock. And you can buy it at $5 or $10 and start your investing journey from there. If you're new to investing, here's a book recommendation for you. It's this book, Girls Just Want to Have Funds. It covers the basics of investing and it can get you started right away. It covers the gender wealth gap and why we need to be teaching our girls to invest early and often. Follow for more personal finance book recommendations. It's great that you're investing, and I love that you're investing, but are you investing in the right investment account? There are many investment accounts out there, all with different tax advantages. Figuring out the right one means you have more money working for you today and in the future, instead of it going to taxes. So is a taxable brokerage great? Yes, it's great, but a Roth IRA could be even better if you qualify. A little PSA, if your investment account doesn't look like this, it's highly likely you are not invested into anything. Log into your brokerage account, IRAs, or 401k and make sure you have bought either mutual funds, ETFs, or stocks to ensure you are invested. Here's 3 ways to automate your investing. 1, set up payroll deductions so that you automatically put money into your retirement account. 2, set up automatic withdrawals to other accounts like a brokerage or other savings accounts. 3, enable DRIP, which is a dividend reinvestment plan across all of your investment accounts so your dividends are reinvested immediately. Follow Sisters for Fi for more money content. Did you know that all of these investment accounts have contribution limits? That's because they are tax advantage accounts, so you get a tax break now or in the future. But this account doesn't have a tax break, but it allows you to invest unlimited in that account, so you can grow your money both ways.